I wonder who that could be. I'd better answer the door. Oh, they seem to be in a hurry. Oh dear, somebody is in a big hurry. Let's see who it is. Hello? Good evening, sir. Would you like to come to our party next door? No, thank you very much. In that case, stick 'em up. Are you sure? No, thank you very much. Quite sure. All right, have a lovely night. Goodbye. Whew, that was a little disturbing. Do alley cats go to alley cat school, where they learn how to slink and stay out all night, where they learn how to find warm and comfortable places on a cold wintry night? Do they learn from teachers and books how to topple a garbage can lid? Did they all go to alley cat school? Sounds like somebody's at the door. Alright. I'm coming. Oh. Somebody's in a hurry. Alright, I'm coming. Oh. Has anybody seen my cat? I can't seem to see the critter anywhere.
Is he sort of a kind of a shuffy-ish sort of a cat?
I think so, yes. Hang on a minute. Oh, thank you, sir. I'll be mighty grateful for. Thank you, sir. Good luck, mate. Thank you very much. Bye. Sounds like somebody is at the door. Alright. Okay, I'm coming. Hold your horses. What time it is? Oh, yeah, no, I don't know what time it is. It's
121.
Hey man, you gotta get out of the house now, man. It's this big flash flood coming down the street, right down the street, right down there, right down the street, man.
Oh. Do we have to?
Hey, you gotta come out right now, man.